Corn is one of the world's 3 major staple foods. China produces approximately 300 million tons of corn annually. 65% of the output is used for animal feed, and 20% goes into deep processing. Of this 20%, over 300,000 tons of corn are delivered every year to the country's largest integrated corn grits and flour processing enterprise, the high-end corn deep processing base of Jinhuanggu right behind me. The plant processes an average of 1,000 tons of non-genetically modified corn each day. Fully loaded corn trucks unload grains into silos, which are then conveyed by screw conveyors to various production lines, starting the whole process of deep processing and value upgrading. The factory-independent lie manufactures more than 10 types of products. Corn peeling, germ extraction, grits making, and flour milling are its core processes, supported by intelligent systems. All production procedures are precise, like control, from corn grits and corn flour to expanded corn flour, protein feed, and corn germ oil. Every product goes through more than a dozen rigorous processing steps. This corn germ oil workshop, with a daily output of 50 tons, is designed and constructed by Huatai Group. It is equipped with complete production lines for corn germ pretreatment, aisle pressing, and refining, with every procedure complying with Huatai's strictest standards, with strong research and development and manufacturing capabilities as well as complete industrial chain advantages. Huatai Group has earned deep trust from top brands at home and abroad. The group has received numerous honors over the years. It is an outstanding member of the Oil and Fat branch of the Chinese Cereals and Oils Association, and has been recognized as a national high-tech enterprise and a national key specialized, refined, unique, and innovative little giant enterprise. Going forward, Huatai Group will continue to focus on the corn deep processing equipment sector. We sincerely welcome partners from all over the world to join hands with us for high-end grain processing equipment. Choose Huatai Group.